Here is a quick 2 ingredient spray that will help boost your hair into the next level. A lot of sisters use it. I've used it over time, and these are the results I'm getting from using these kinds of spray. I saw this spray from one of my YouTubers I follow. Her name is Kelly Proverbs. She has long, gorgeous natural hair, and she uses infusions like this, and that's why I'm also using it in my routine. I've used it has worked for me, and that's why I'm coming here showing you how to make this spray in this video. So please be sure to watch to the end so you don't miss out on any of the preparation process and the application process that helps get the best results. Let's get right on into the video. Hello sisters, welcome back to the channel. It's me Seni, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing one of the recipes I got from my favorite YouTuber. I don't know if you know Kelly Proverbs. She's been on YouTube for a while now, and she has gorgeous long hair, and she does this, so of course I'm going to do it, but I have to try it out first on my hair to know how it feels like, how it goes, before I'll share it on this channel. I've tried it, I've done my protective styles, I've used it, it's giving me a lot of new growth, and today is the day I'm sharing it with you. So the first thing we are going to be using is moringa. She actually used the original herbs of moringa. You see, the original ones you buy from the local shops. That's what she used. But I don't have those ones, so I'm going to improvise. So I'm using moringa tea. I'm going to infuse this, but it's basically the same thing. An interesting fact about moringa: do you know moringa is called the miracle tree? It's because it's rich in vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E, and zinc. It also contains amino acids and ions. That is great when it comes to scalp nourishment for hair growth. The next ingredient we are going to be using is cloves. And if you have natural hair or even permed hair and you are on YouTube, you know that a lot of sisters use cloves in their hair. And it's not because it's just fun, it's because it actually does what we say it do. Nonetheless, I've also seen some sisters who say cloves dry out their hair. One, if this is happening to you, it means maybe you are using too much of the clove. You see, clove is a very powerful herb and is best advised to use in moderation. If you do a hairspray with cloves and it dries out your hair, it means you use too much clove. Minimize the amount of clove bars you use. The last thing we are using is hibiscus. This is another constant herb Kelly Proverbs use. If you are not familiar about who I'm talking about, just go on YouTube and type Kelly Proverbs, and you see the gorgeous hair she has with all these ingredients I'm showing you in this video stable in her routine. And of course it works for her because hibiscus is rich in vitamin C, amino acids, and antioxidants that stimulate hair follicles, boost collagen production, and promote healthy hair growth. Also, the natural ingredients in hibiscus strengthens your hair roots, reduce hair thinning, and prevent excessive shedding by nourishing your scalp. These are the benefits of the ingredients we are using. So we are going to take a bowl and we are just going to put everything I showed you earlier. We are just going to take small amounts and put it into a bowl. I'm going to go ahead and add about half a cup of water to this. Now take note, as you can see, the water is very clear now, meaning that the herbs have not yet started infusing. As you can see, it's changing color, but I'm going to leave this to soak for about 24 hours. Okay, after 24 hours you are going to see the clear difference of an infused spray. Before we get into the results, let me just say, if you know anyone that has natural hair, is struggling to grow out their hair, please share this video with them. There's a lot of valid, true, and very important information in this video that will help them in their hair growth, hair care journey. So share the video with them, share it with a sister, share it with your mom, your aunties. With natural hair, with permed hair, there's definitely something all of them can learn. So after 24 hours, this is what our infusion is looking like. Properly infused hair growth spray made at home. So quickly, I'm going to transfer the spray into an applicator bottle, and this is how I'm going to be using it. Before I show you how I apply it, just know that you can use this spray as a pre-poo and you can use it as a leave-in. I personally love to use it as a leave-in, meaning that I do my protective style, I put it in my hair, then it stays in my hair. Okay, I do it 3 times a week. But for the sisters who want to use this spray as a pre-poo, the way you do it is you take out your protective style, then you use the spray to detangle your hair, you put it on your scalp, you massage it in, then you let it sit in your hair for a few hours. Then after that, you shampoo your hair like the way you normally do. Some sisters also use it as a rinse out, meaning that after you shampoo your hair, then you use the spray in your hair. That's the final thing you use on your wash day. That's how some sisters also use it. So there are a lot of different ways you can use it. Just use the one that works best for you. And as I mentioned earlier, the one I prefer is you do your protective style, you use the spray in your scalp, then you massage it in. That's the one I prefer. And don't skip this part, the scalp massaging part. Don't skip it, please, because massaging the scalp increases blood circulation to your scalp, which helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to your hair follicles, boosting hair growth and thickness over time. It's very important. Don't skip the part. And also your problem areas, focus the spray more on your problem areas. Some people have a lot of shedding in the crown of their hair, their edges part. Your problem areas, focus the spray there, use the spray there, massage it in. That's how you do it. So after 5 to 7 minutes, after I'm done massaging the spray well into my scalp, I'm going to leave it in a band. After you finish putting the spray in your hair, you can also seal the spray in using a hair oil, castor oil, olive oil, any good hair oil you have. You can seal the moisture from the spray in your hair using that hair oil. And I do not use all the spray at once. The remaining, I'm going to leave it in the fridge and use it in the next 2 or 3 days. And that's the whole routine. If you have any questions for me when it comes to using the spray, how many times to use it, when to use it, if you have any question, let me know in the comments. I'll answer all questions I find in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video as well. Share it with your sisters, your moms, your aunties, anyone you know with natural or permed hair. Share this video with them as well. Let's help them also grow out their hair. Thanks so much for watching. It's Miss Sunny, and until the next video, I'm out.